Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report. And finally, a big sigh of relief. And what a volatile month, January. If you remember, September expiry, the Nifty was at 10,800. October, November, December, these 3 months was a fantastic rally from 10,800 to 14,800. That's almost 4,000 point, nearly 40% rally. But this January has become very, very difficult. Even I have made a good amount of losses. Nifty started around 14,000, went to 14,700, came back to 14,200, again went to 14,800 and again came back to 13,700. And that is also not a big deal. Monday morning, Nifty was at 14,500 and Tuesday is a holiday. Wednesday, Thursday low is about 13,700, which is a 800 point fall just in 3 trading sessions. The Bank Nifty last week high was about 32,900, just 100 point from 33,000. And today's low is 29,700. So which is 3,200 point, which is nearly 10% fall within few days. Why suddenly so much sell off? I will come out with a separate video tomorrow. That's a very long video. I'll explain the reasons. But we will look at what happened today. Yesterday, though Fed has not increased the interest rate, the Fed has not indicated any taper tantrum, and still the markets have been falling like a knife, falling knife. Europe was down, US was down, Asia was down, and Singapore Nifty were tested a low of 13,800 yesterday, and it was all very, very bearish. But today also markets were hugely volatile, and at the end of the day, for the last few days both the rowdies were beating the common man, but at least today one rowdy is feeling very bad and he stopped beating. At the end of the day, FIIs have sold 3,700 crores, but DIIs bought only for 1,700. It's about half the price. But that's far better than DII also selling, right? If DII also sold, and I think we would have gone to 13,500. Today, all the indices fell except private sector bank. Yesterday, I was watching for the results. On a television channel, they were telling that Bank of Baroda came out with a good result. And today, Bank of Baroda fell 10%. And they said Axis Bank came with bad result and it is up today. In fact, best performer in the banking stock. As I always say, it's going to be very difficult for you to predict the market movement just after results. But a general trend now is that if the result is good, 2-3% fall. If the result is bad, 6-7% fall. Yesterday night, Apple declared very good results, record result. But what happened in the morning, I saw it was down by 3%. In fact, in Asia, all the suppliers of Apple, they all fell. And Tesla came with bad result and it was down by 6-7%. And today, Maruti came out with results and the Maruti has fallen. So it is now buy on rumor and sell on results. So that is how the market is behaving. So anyway, January month, a very difficult month for me, and I'm sure it should be difficult for all of you, and it has come to an end, and we are hoping for some stable trading in the month of February. But of course, there is a very big event which is the budget. So as an option writer, I will like to keep away from market for the budget day. Many people in Twitter also asking me, sir, what is your plan for budget? So my plan for budget is holiday, 1 day holiday. I will re-enter after the budget only. And today auto stocks came under pressure because of Maruti, and Reliance is distinctly weak. In the morning, it was the Reliance which was supporting the market, but in the afternoon, so that also started falling. Just imagine in 3-4 days, Reliance Industries fell more than 10%. And look at all the bluest of blue chip stocks like Bajaj Finance, Kotak Bank. They all fell more than 10% in the Jan series. And many people are asking me, sir, you said if the first 2 weeks are good, likely that year will be good, why the market is falling? And to them my reply is that last year also the first 2 weeks was good, but from 12,000 Nifty went to 7,500. But what happened? At the end of the year, it closed with 15% return. So whenever I say this year will be good, it's a long-term view. It's not a short-term. Markets do not go up in straight line. It goes zigzag only. And in fact, I always say the fast and furious corrections will come only in the bull market. Just look, 3 days, Bank Nifty 10%, Nifty 8% down. This kind of corrections will come only in bull market. It doesn't come in bear market. Right? So just mark my words, see the market after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and the market will be higher. And if you are a long-term investor, and this is a good opportunity. And always people want correction, but when the correction comes, people don't buy. You know why? Because we don't know where the correction will end. So that is a thing. So otherwise, today's market is not really that bad, but still European markets and US futures are down, and we have to see how our market will be positioning itself ahead of the budget. And one good thing, as I told you already, we are going into the budget with without much optimism. So we have already corrected nearly 1,000 points. So even if there is anything bad in the budget, the markets are not likely to fall much from here. So that is one good thing. But in case if there is something good in budget, the market will be again start moving higher. But we do not know. Our finance minister said this budget is going to be a budget which India has never seen in last 100 years. And we will come to know the answer on Monday. So until then, keep enjoying. Thank you for watching.